Don't turn away from me again. God's urgent message today. God's message for you, my beloved child. I have been calling your name again and again, not to frighten you, but to remind you how deeply you are loved. Even when you drift away, my heart longs for you. Today, listen closely, for this message is my gentle whisper to your soul. I know the weight you carry, the questions that trouble your heart, and the fears you cannot speak aloud. I see your tears, even when no one else does. And still, I call. Not because you are unworthy, but because you are precious beyond measure. When you feel empty, I want to fill you. When you feel lost, I want to guide you. When you feel unloved, I want to wrap you in my everlasting arms. You do not need to hide or pretend with me. I know you fully, and still, I love you completely. My call is not a demand. It is an invitation to rest in my presence, to find peace in my promises, and to walk in the freedom of my grace. Every sunrise you see, every breath you take, is proof that I am still near, waiting patiently for you. So come closer. Lay down your burdens. Trust that my plans are good, and that no matter how many times you've wandered, my arms are always open wide. Do not miss this moment, my child. I am calling you to peace, to hope, and to joy that never fades. Open your heart and let me in. If this message blessed you, please like, share, and subscribe, so others can also hear this gentle word from God, and leave your prayer in the comments. We would love to pray with you.